Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to link your partner on Flo App. So let's start. I'm here on Flo App, as you can see. Now down there are many options. Just click on the option that says partner. Just click there. And if you check here, there is a code. Then you have to send the code to your partner to join to your account. And so you have to send new pairing code, and there is a new code. Just click on send pairing code there, and then you can send this code on many apps, for example WhatsApp, for example Facebook, Messenger, etc. So you can click on whatever you want. For example, on Messenger you can click here and you can send to someone. Okay, so when you send this code, well, your partner will join to Flow Up and then the accounts will be linked. So that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. As you can see, it's very easy. So if you want more videos like this, just subscribe to our channel.